In this video, I'll show you how to download and install TeamViewer on Windows 10 and Windows 11 easily in less than 2 minutes. The first thing you need to do is go to the official TeamViewer website. I'll leave the direct link in the video description so you can access it quickly and safely, avoiding unofficial download sites. Once you're there, click the Download TeamViewer button and choose the version that's compatible with your computer. TeamViewer supports both Windows 10 and Windows 11. When the download is complete, open the installer file. If Windows asks for administrator permission, simply click Yes to continue. Next, follow the installation wizard. In just a few minutes, TeamViewer will be installed and ready to use. Once you open the program, you'll see your ID and password, which you can share with someone else to receive remote support or allow them to access your computer. Likewise, if you want to connect to another computer, simply enter its ID and follow the on-screen instructions. And that's it. That's how easy it is to download and install TeamViewer on Windows 10 and Windows 11. If this video helped you, don't forget to subscribe and leave a like for more step-by-step tutorials.